How to create an account on LinkedIn. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to create an account on LinkedIn, what you're gonna do is, first of all, launch the LinkedIn application on your device. After you do that, if you already have an account and want to get back into it, tap on continue with Google or email. Now, if you want to create a new one, tap on new to LinkedIn, join now. After you do that, LinkedIn will ask for your first name and last name, enter it, then your email or your phone number. After you do that, LinkedIn will ask you to create a password that must be 6 plus characters. Enter a password that you can easily remember while accessing the account. After you do that, LinkedIn will do a quick security check where it will check you if you're not a robot. After you complete the test given to you by LinkedIn, you will successfully be able to create an account on LinkedIn. Thank you.